Hi everyone, this week we're going to get started on YouTube ads, and this is only going to be a quick video about how we're going to get started, with what type of accounts you need, what programs you might need, and an introduction to the layout and some of the charts that are on there, some of the graphs, and how to read them and understand them. This month though is all going to be focused towards YouTube ads and how to get started and optimize and going on manage and improve your time using the platform. But before I get started, please remember to subscribe to the channel and like the video as well, and if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. So first off, we're going to talk about what you need to get started with YouTube ads, those being a YouTube account and a Google Ads account. So the first step is setting up the YouTube account itself. It's simple enough. All we're going to do with this account is just use the platform to store the videos that we're going to put onto our Google account. We can make it either unlisted, meaning it's not public, and anyone with a link to the video can see it. So only those with a link can see this unlisted video. However, the other side, then we can make it public, which is obviously does what it says. It's a public video, everyone can see it, and it will just continue to passively gain viewers as we go ahead with the ads. The next step then is setting up your Google Ads account. This is where you'll set up, publish, and review and manage all of your YouTube ads. Just head through to the required sections when getting started, and eventually you'll come to a tracking screen. That all you need to do for that is just paste the code they give you into your, in this case that we're doing now, a landing page for a fitness business. This will just track all the leads that come through. So from the overview screen, you can see all your campaigns in one section, all the accounts you're running if you're running with multiple accounts with multiple ads in themselves. You can also see where your ads are predominantly showing, whether that's mobile or computers. This is all giving you data then where you can optimize your content based on that information. This screen does exactly that. It shows you the information, and from there you can design your plan of action for different ads and their goals, whether that's lead generation or simply to just generate more views. You can access all of the accounts from the overview section. Think of this as the top layer, with each level underneath being a different account. With each level underneath that account then being a different ad group within that account, which the ad groups then hold the actual ads. It might be similar to those who have used Facebook ads in the past with the ad sets and the ad and the campaign as well. There are a number of charts on the overview section, and really all used all the way throughout Google Ads. There are charts everywhere, and you can just simply watch them. Some of them are more obvious to read than others, but some hide information as well through drop-down menus. All you need to do is click on the drop-down menu. It'll come down and you'll have lists like clicks, impressions, cost per click, the amount of conversions you're getting, and so on. So we've established what Google Ads are, what the screens mean, what the charts mean, and how really to access your account. But before you go ahead and create your own ads, consider using some apps in conjunction with each other, and then use the content created on those apps then to use in the final ad. Some examples can be Premiere Pro, one of the best video editing softwares available. Plenty of templates if you want a quick edit of a video. You can download things from the internet, some different templates. You can download graphics from the internet as well, some different fonts and that to use. The next one is Canva, and I've mentioned before how useful Canva is, but any graphics that you need, any logos, can all be created on Canva with super easy to use features. I think it can accommodate any level of experience, and there are plenty of tutorials on the internet and also available on this channel as well for any tutorials you might need on how to access certain things or how to create different things. Last one I want to suggest as well is the GoPro Quick app. This is available on iOS and Android, and it's just a super simple, really simple editing software that comes with an inbuilt music library. Super easy to use, and the inclusion of the music libraries saves you time and money as well searching for music to license. Okay, so there was a quick intro to Google Ads and mainly YouTube Ads. A simple process to get started. Just need a YouTube channel to store the videos, and then your Google Ads account then to publish and manage your ads afterwards. Throughout this month, I'm going to be uploading different tutorials and tricks, how to use YouTube ads, how to make the most out of YouTube ads, But if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll get to it. But apart from that, cheers.